In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view sensitive content on Tumblr. Begin by launching your web browser and navigate to tumblr.com. If you already have a Tumblr account, log in. Otherwise, create a new one. Once logged in, click on your account icon at the upper part of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Content Settings section. Within the Content Settings, you'll see options related to content sensitivity. Locate the Mature section, which contains content that may not be suitable for all audiences. To view mature content, click on Show to reveal mature content without any restrictions. Optionally, you can choose to blur or hide mature content if you prefer to have it concealed. Additionally, if you want to view additional potentially mature content, toggle the corresponding switch to enable it. And once you've adjusted your content viewing preferences, scroll to the bottom of the settings page, and then click on Save button to apply the changes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.